Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a cannot scan a local directory error in VMware while copy and pasting it. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search WinRAR and press enter. Select the download option. Select the WinRAR English 64. After getting download and install the WinRAR guys. Just installation process is shown in here. After installing it, just need to go to the file you're getting this error. Just right click on the file and select WinRAR and select add to send option. After getting this done, just scroll up and you can able to see a WinRAR file over here that has been created. WinRAR, just right click and select copy it, and now go to in the VMware. Just right click on the desktop and select paste option, and now it will paste in the VMware guys. As you can see, just go inside the VMware and right click on the pasted file over here and select extract all and select the extract option. Now the file has been extracted. As you can see, the all files are here, and that's all you have to do it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.